Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Qeeq Car Rental. In this video, I'll give you a complete honest breakdown of Qeeq, what it is, how it works, its key features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally whether it really deserves to be called one of the best car rental platforms in 2025. Let's get started. As you land on Qeeq's homepage, you'll immediately notice it looks like a typical car rental website. But what many people don't realize is that Qeeq doesn't actually own cars. It's not a car rental company itself. It's a car rental aggregator and booking platform. In simpler terms, Qeeq connects you to hundreds of local and international rental agencies. When you book through Qeeq, you're booking through them, not with them directly. Qeeq then issues a voucher and coordinates with a local partner, which is the actual rental company that provides the vehicle. You will find the different car rental brands that they partner with on their homepage, like Hertz, Alamo, Europcar, Sixt, Avis, Budget, and lots more. This setup gives you access to a wide network of suppliers, meaning you can compare prices, you can filter by car types, and you can see what's available in different locations. And you can potentially get much cheaper rates than booking directly. Now let us talk about the main features of the Qeeq Car Rental. Easy search and comparison. The search tool on Qeeq allows you to input your pickup and drop-off locations, the dates, even preferred car type. You can also filter with residency, driver's age, and a lot more other details. And once you hit the search button, it lists a variety of rental companies with clear price comparisons. You can filter by supplier, by car category, insurance coverage, mileage limits, and payment type. They also have what's called secret deals, which is discounted rates where the specific rental company isn't revealed until after booking. It's like kind of a mystery deal for travelers willing to trade transparency for a lower price. Insurance and protection options. One of Qeeq's biggest selling points is its insurance and protection options. When booking, you'll often see add-ons like full insurance coverage or additional protection for delays and damages. According to Qeeq, their insurance plans are up to 50% cheaper than what you'd pay at a traditional rental counter. That means instead of paying inflated fees at pickup, you can secure affordable coverage in advance right on their platform. Price Drop Protector. This is a very unique feature. Once you've booked the car on Qeeq, the platform continues to monitor prices for that same rental. And if the price drops later, Qeeq will automatically notify you and in some cases rebook you at the lower price. So you don't have to keep checking manually for better deals. Qeeq does the work for you. This feature alone can save you quite a bit of money, especially if you book weeks or months in advance. Best Price Guarantee. Another standout benefit is Qeeq's Best Price Guarantee. If you find the same rental with the same supplier, dates, and terms at a lower price somewhere else after booking, Qeeq promises to refund the difference. It's their way of assuring you that you're getting the lowest available rate. Of course, it does require the exact same booking conditions, but it's still a great confidence booster when shopping for deals. The Diamond Membership Program. Qeeq offers a loyalty program called Diamond Membership, designed for frequent travelers. For an annual fee of around $80, members get additional discounts, exclusive deals, free cancellations on certain bookings, and faster customer service. If you rent cars often, whether for business or travel, this membership can pay for itself pretty quickly in savings. There are also other add-ons and protections. You can customize extras like GPS, additional drivers, baby seats, cross-border permissions, and lots more. Basically, Qeeq tries to combine the affordability of an aggregator with the protection features of a premium service, though the effectiveness of these features depends a lot on the supplier that you end with. Now let us talk about the pricing. When you first see prices on Qeeq, those are base rates. They usually don't include taxes, location fees, or optional extras. The total cost can increase depending on what add-ons you select, the insurance, additional drivers, or navigation equipment. Also, one-way rentals where you can pick the car in one city and drop it in another often come with extra charges. And another good thing is with their Price Drop Protector, you can save some money. There's also a Q points and cashback where you can earn an average of $5 cashback on each booking. And if you have the Diamond membership, you can save an average of $35 per booking. What are the pros and cons of using Qeeq Car Rental? First, the pros. They have a huge network of suppliers. You can compare dozens of rental companies in one place. The pricing is competitive. It's often cheaper than booking directly. They have innovative features like the price drop protector and the best price guarantee. They're genuinely useful. And they have a user-friendly interface, even an app that makes it quite user-friendly and easy to use. How about the cons? Third-party complications. Since Qeeq is just an intermediary, you're still dealing with the local rental company for vehicle pickup, returns, and disputes. Another thing to keep in mind is that your experience largely depends on the partner company that Qeeq assigns to you, and quality can vary. So is Qeeq really the best car rental platform in 2025? Well, it depends on what kind of traveler you are. If you are budget conscious, like comparing multiple suppliers and you don't mind reading the fine print, then Qeeq can help you save a lot of money. The price drop protector, the best price guarantee, and the membership options are genuinely helpful tools that many other platforms don't offer. However, if you prioritize guaranteed reliability, direct accountability, and instant customer support, that you might find Qeeq's third-party model a bit frustrating, especially in high-stakes travel situations. And that's it on the review of the Qeeq Car Rental. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore rentalcars.com, Kayak, and Skyscanner Car Rentals. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.